Hello traders all over the world, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. I welcome you to our channel. Today I bring forward to you a thought-provoking issue regarding trading. Now we all know that in trading what we do majorly is that we buy and we sell. Okay, if this is your first time of coming by this channel, I want you to click on the subscription button right now. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel because you are going to be getting a lot of goodies from this channel. So like I was saying, that majorly what we do in trading is that we buy and we sell. Those are the two things we do. And I now sat down and thought of it, that what if we can focus on buy alone, or what if we can focus on selling alone? I think this will reduce some hassles in the market. Okay, what if I can just focus on buying a particular asset and not focusing on selling of that asset? Take for example, this is volatility 50. I can just be targeting the buys alone and forget about selling it. Okay, so that is what we want to quickly look at, and I'm going to show you something very amazing, a system that has been developed to only buy and not sell the market. So that means if you find a buying trend, you can use the system to make some profit. First off, let me show you the system on let's see it on V10S. As you can see here, this arrow has been developed in a way that it only trades breakouts of trend lines, as you can see over here, it broke out. Okay, look at it over here too. We are actively in this signal, and this signal V10S has made us over $200 in profits, as you can see over here. So the signal was being taken here, okay, and this is over here. You can still see another signal over here. So this is a swing trade, guys. This is a swing trade, so we're still expecting this trade to move higher than it is. So our take profit is around this region. That will be around $468 in profit. So that is it, guys. So let me show us this signal. Also, we took a trade on V75S. Okay, also a swing trade. You can see it from here. Okay, you can see the trend line. Price broke out of this trend line. We have a signal, and that's why we took this signal. You can see other entries. Okay, look at this side also. We have a breakout of the trend line here. It can be better seen on the 15-minute time frame. You can see, let's change this to 15-minute time frame. You will see different entries on the 15-minute time frame. You can see this, a breakout of this trend line, a breakout of this trend line, and also this is another trend line over here that broke out. You can see that. So you can see this active one right now that is breaking out. So the system has been designed to go out whenever there is a breakout of the trend line. Recently on our Telegram channel, we gave this signal, this second signal on volatility 75. As you can see, is in good profit right now. And once you take the trade like that, you just put your stop loss behind the arrow, and you are going to be in good profits. So as you can see, this is a very profitable system, guys. Also on crash, you can also use it on crash. You can see it over here. You can use it to buy crash. See crash 300 here, breakout of this trend line, we have a buy. A breakout of this trend line, we have a buy. A breakout of this trend line, we have a buy. As you can see, a breakout of this trend line, we have a buy. We are still going to be doing more videos. You can see a breakout of this trend line, we have a buy. So we are still going to be doing more videos on this system. As you can see, this is a non-repainting system, guys, and it's very, very profitable. So this limits you to only buy orders alone. So that means across all the synthetic indices on volatility on Deriv, we look out for the one that is on that is breaking out and is on a buy trend. So with these, we will be able to focus on a particular trend in the market and not focus on two. So we are less concerned with when the market is selling, we are more focused on when the market is buying. With this system, you can automate this system to send signals to your email. It can also send you signals to your phone also. So depending on how you want it. Like I said, we'll be making more videos regarding this signal. This is 100% non-repainting. 100% non-repainting. Do not forget that we also offer copy trading services. We also offer VIP signals and some other services. Also sales of good system like what you are seeing before you. You can see the profit that is being accrued from the use of this system. So do yourself good now and try and get the system for yourself, especially for the new year, and you will surely be making profit from the market. Thanks once again for watching our videos. I'm FX Ninja. Bye for now.